Hello everyone, this is Joe Pix. I'm Joe, and today I have this SilverLine 65mm dimple padlock. This is a 5-pin. I have already picked this. Hopefully I can pick it again. With a little bit of a heavier tension right here. Let's try this guy. A little bit too much flex on that one. There it is. There's not a lot of room between the wall that you're picking off of and the pins themselves, so when you get to that last pin and it binds, it gets you stuck. There's no point in gutting this. You can take the core out, but you can't remove the core or the plug from the cylinder because it has 5 key pins and drivers, but then there's a 6th slot that's not accessible from the keyway that has a retaining pin. But either way, I really like this. You don't see a lot of the, sort of half moon round body locks that have a dimple core. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. If you like the video and you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, please subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.